In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Notion from starting up automatically on Windows. This is really useful if your computer feels slow when it first turns on, or if you just prefer to open Notion manually instead of having it launch every time you log in. First, make sure you're on your Windows desktop with everything loaded. Look at the bottom of your screen, along the bar where you can see the Start button, your open folders, Google Chrome or other browsers, and any other open apps. This bar is called the taskbar, and it's what we'll be using to get into the Task Manager. Move your mouse to an empty area on that bottom bar, somewhere that's not on an icon or an open app. Now, right-click on that empty space. A menu will pop up with several options. From that menu, look for the option labeled Task Manager and left-click it. If this is your first time opening Task Manager, you might see a very simple view with just a list of apps. If that happens, look for something like More Details near the bottom of the window and click it. This will expand Task Manager and show you more tabs and more information, which is what we need. At the top of the Task Manager window, you'll see several tabs, such as Processes, Performance, App History, and so on. Click on the tab labeled Startup. This tab shows you all the programs that are allowed to start automatically when Windows boots up. Now, in the list of startup items, scroll through until you find Notion. The entries are usually listed by name, and you might also see the publisher and the status. Take your time to make sure you've selected the correct app. Once you've found Notion, click on it once to highlight it. Then, right-click on Notion in that list. A small menu will appear. In that menu, click on Disable. After you do this, you should see the status for Notion change to Disabled. That's it. From now on, Notion will no longer open automatically when you start your computer. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same Startup tab in Task Manager, right-click Notion again, and choose Enable to turn it back on.